Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by powering down and disconnecting power, safety first. Once done, remove any easily detachable keys, like larger keys, by gently prying at the corner with a plastic tool. This exposes sticker edges. Use tweezers to lift a corner, because grabbing adhesive with fingers can smear oil and make removal harder. Make sure to work slowly. Rushing rips stickers into small pieces that are much harder to clean off later. Once a corner is lifted, apply a modest amount of isopropyl to a swab and dab along the adhesive so it softens. This breaks down the glue without harming electronics. Let it sit for 15 to 30 seconds, then roll the swab to pick up loosened residue. Use a plastic scraper or old credit card to nudge softened adhesive away. This prevents scratching. If small bits remain, repeat the dabbing and gentle scraping until the surface is clean and smooth. After most residue is gone, wipe the key caps and surrounding surface with a dry microfiber to remove streaks, and allow the area to air dry for 5 to 10 minutes. Once dry, reattach keys by aligning clips and pressing gently until they click. Test each key to confirm responsiveness. If you still feel tackiness, repeat the process using a slightly higher isopropyl percentage, or spot test a small amount of commercial adhesive remover.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.